I guess it's Gucci, yeah. Good people, hello, hey, hi, it's me, MrDaleOG, and welcome back to another beautiful day in This Is Life. I'm here trying to heal up, leg is still doing what it does. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we are going to talk about repairing my bike. I'm going to take you guys, it's not live, but I'm going to take you as I buy my parts. I've never done something like that before. I think I saw MrDaleOG vlogs do that, and it looks pretty cool, just like shopping with you guys. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I have $1,134 to spend on my bike, but the thing is, I'm not going to spend that all on my bike as I wanted to. My plan actually was to use it to pay off some of my insurance and then buy parts, but with my situation with me being hit by a car, my parents are taking care of me. As much as I don't like to say that as an independent person, it is the facts. So I want to use that money as effectively as possible, so that way it's less money that they have to use for me. I'm gonna get the parts for my bike that I think are necessary, and all the other stuff that I want, I'm gonna just save it for another time, grind for it, So yeah, let's get into it. Subscribe if you feel so moved.
Damn!
So those are all the things that's damaged on the bike. But the things I'm gonna repair are my right mirror, right foot peg, and right brake pedal. And instead of repairing all the parts that I didn't think were pressing to repair, I'm gonna either replace them or use that fund to add on parts that'll make the bike more effective. So I'm gonna have frame sliders installed, put on a new front tire, put on a new rear brake, and put in a new integrated tail lights and blinkers, and then probably get some screws so I could close all the panels around my bike that are open. Alright, so the first thing I gotta get is a mirror. Well, look at that. I'm actually thinking, this is the one I have now, hindsight. I'm thinking about changing it or totally removing it, period, because I'm tired of how it always shakes and bends, and my last one's just been a problem. The mirror itself is actually perfect, so I'll just take that fault and say maybe my last one has been the one that's just been faulty and banged up so much. But sometimes the hinge gets a little stuck, hinge right there. I was thinking of getting the ones that arch over. Where is it? Let me open this up. We need these. Do they have it? Do they have it? Nope, they don't show it. They don't show it. Alright, let's get these. There you go. Right side. Got to carte. Alright. Nope, still in the shop. And then opened up this tab right here because you need this in order to get it to fit into your bar end if you have a CB300R. This is very important. And I believe it was the 7th, 8th ones I need to get. Yeah. So CRG billet internal adapters. Wait, my bad. Never mind. Sorry guys, I have one already. Scratch this. Yeah. It's on my desk. Okay. Now I need to get a front tire. So first order was $181 at Revzilla. I really like Revzilla because just look at it. It's like a really nice site, and everything that I've needed, they've always had, and it always seemed like it's a good, fair price. I like the videos that they show, the explanations. And as someone who is an entrepreneur who owns a company, like, I think this is very standout. I think they go above and beyond. So I like to buy most of my stuff from Revzilla. Babbits, this site I found when people were talking, well, people in the Facebook group for the CB300R were talking about black plastics and everything like that. How you could either buy one or paint them yourself. And I was like, I'd rather just buy them. So I found out about Babbits. Babbits has all the parts, everything, all the OEM parts, everything, like pretty much like down to the screws for your bike. So whenever I need like replacement parts or a panel, something like that, this is where I come. This is the hardware site. So the tail light was actually the first thing I bought. And after I bought it, I was like, wait, I can make a video out of this. So unfortunately, you guys didn't get to see me buy the tail light, but here it is. Here's the name if you want to find it, and here's how much it cost. And we're back. Hey, let me know if you enjoyed that, because as I said, I've never done a video like that before, and it was actually pretty cool. I realized through editing what I could learn, what I could do better with the video, as you know, make it more immersive and not so long. But let me know your thoughts, and I'll keep you guys updated on the parts about the bike when I get them. Hopefully the dealer will let me, the shop will let me record them as they put that on, so that'll be a cool video to make. And I'll keep you guys updated on my foot and what's going on. I actually have an appointment tomorrow with a doctor to get some final say and thoughts going on if I need surgery. It is a fracture after all, so wish me luck, wish me the best, and I wish you luck, I wish you the best. You know, I want you to realize that through the highest of highs and the lowest of lows, this is life. Shit will go wrong, things will happen, but you know, it's how you push forward, okay? So subscribe, like, subscribe, comment if you feel so moved, and I will see you soon.